Let's look at this next story, where Kenya Power and Lighting Company is to embark on a 459 million shillings worth street lighting program to support a 24-hour operating system within Kisii town and its environs. County Business Manager Zachary Opapa has, however, warned of dire consequences for vandals eyeing the 200-lantern project.
The street lighting project will see 54 million shillings spent within Kisii town alone, while 240 million shillings will be spent in other towns, in a decision that has been welcomed by businesses who note that it will support working round the clock.
We've received a consignment of more than 200 lanterns to be used in Kisii County alone.
A key challenge, however, remains vandalism that mainly targets power, communication and road signage material for sale as scrap metal.
We faced a challenge of most of the residents don't want to come out, where we've identified some vandalized materials, and this has really hampered our duties.
Elsewhere, Kisii County Government targets to boost honey production through capacity building of farmers. Already 100 trainees of trainers and 10 county agricultural officers have completed their program at the National Beekeeping Society.
Wakati nilikuwa nasikia zamani, nilikuwa naona hii kazi ni ya wanaume. Lakini wakati nilianza kusoma, nikagundua kweli hii kitu niko na faida kwa kina mama.
Kwa hivyo ningetaka kuwauliza watu wote wa Kitui County pale walipo, muangalie zile cooperatives za asali ziko karibu na wewe, tujiunge nayo, maana hii ndio tunataka ikuwe cash crop kabisa ya Kitui County, maana asali yetu inasifika dunia mzima.
Water access challenges, unreliable rainfall and unpredictable food prices has seen more and more farmers embracing beekeeping as a source of livelihood.
Na asali kidogo inaweza kava hata hiyo mahindi ungelipanda na ikufanyie jambo plan. Kwa hivyo heri mtu anayefunga nyuki.
Regina Manyara reporting for Channel 1 Business.